Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the popular Maharashtrian dish Jowar Dhirde or sorghum flour pancakes. To begin, prepare the batter. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup jowar or sorghum flour, quarter cup finely chopped onions, 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and half a cup chopped green coriander leaves. Next, add in the dry masalas: 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi. Now add in 2 teaspoons rice flour and 2 teaspoons rava, semolina. Mix well. Finally, add 1.5 cups of water or as required to make a smooth, watery batter. Keep aside for 10 minutes for the rava to soak in the liquids. When ready to cook, heat a tawa or a griddle, brush it with oil, pour a ladle full of the batter, cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for a few minutes. Once the top dries up a bit, add a bit of oil to the sides and top. Turn it over and cook. This recipe makes about 8 dhirde depending on the size. The Jowar Dhirde are ready to serve. Serve hot with your favorite chutney. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.